Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. I'm holding two planes here because I wanted to show you the size comparison to the 6S Avanti 70mm and the 4S FMS Futura 64. Whereas this plane is the better part of $300, I want to say it's $299. This one is under $200 at maybe $199. And 4S, 6S. This has retracts and lights. This doesn't. But this has thrust reverse, whereas this one doesn't. So honestly, fly the dog mess out of this one and then buy this one. Both of them you get them both at Hobby Zone. I just wanted to show you the size comparison. Let me set this plane back down. All right, I'll get the Avanti here. We'll take off. All right. Set that plane down.
Motor on.
Yeah, you're right, because I will. So I'm not seeing it. All right, here we go. My rates are 100% throws over 30% expo. And I'm running a Gen 2 Lemon RX receiver, no stabilization, just straight signal. And I'll tell you, I'm really loving these Gen 2s. Yeah, we'll just turn around and we'll take off from down here. The wind has fairly died, so what wind we do have, I'm going with it right now, but that's okay. We'll put in takeoff flaps.
Takeoff flaps.
Get back on our center line here, and here we go.
Flaps up, gear up.
All right, we're gonna bring it right at us. Show the belly.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right. Just kind of cruising along happy. You got her now? All right, full speed. Gonna go up with her.
Landing flaps, gear down.
Turn back towards the road. I tell you what, you put them flaps down on this plane, all the way down like that, boy, I tell you what, she'll slow right down for you. Little
Flaps up.
jink and jive back and forth a little bit. Take her back down the other side. We'll take off again. This is just one. I've got a lot of favorites. But I will tell you this right here, as far as my jets go, as far as fun fly factor, this is definitely in my top 5 as far as fun factor flying. All right, take off flaps.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Flaps up, gear up. Landing flaps.
All right, we're gonna bring her by kind of slow and low, like we're gonna land. We'll just tank by. Oh, come on, that's beautiful.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
That wasn't very good. We can do better than that.
Flaps up.
Get turned around here. Take off flaps.
Take off flaps.
Here we go.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute. Flaps up.
Alright, we're gonna do better than that. I'm definitely capable of much better landing. I'm overthinking it.
"30 seconds.
Bring it right at me. I'll be in the grass, but that's okay.
Seconds.
I had to redeem myself, you know I did. Well, folks,
Prop secured.
that is the Avanti S 70mm good and bad landing today. But you know what? I guarantee you there ain't a thing wrong with this suspension. I have beat this suspension to death. I've landed on the grass so many times, and I've had a lot of hard landings, and rock solid. All right, let's check the battery. Just a tough little plane, fun to fly. One of those big smile on your face kind of planes. That's where I got the 4000 Sokokin right there. Push back. I mean, I got basically 4 finger links in from the front of the foam here to the, actually on the wood deck there. Got that Gen 2 7-channel right up there. And no stabilization, nothing like that. Just good, solid flying plane. All right, let's check the battery. Let's see how much juice is left in the tank. All right. Oh, I keep forgetting. Putting the checker on the back of the transmitter. Velcro, that's a great tip. One of my wonderful viewers gave me that. 53%, come on. No problem at all. Well, folks, let me pick up my debris. That is the FMS 70mm Avanti. And that is one awesome flying little jet, little sport jet, little pocket rocket. Absolutely fly slow, fly fast. Oh, one thing I do recommend, back here, and this is something I wish they do, back here on this fin here, put you a piece, some packing tape on there, because they didn't put anything to help protect that structure. Because when she's sitting on the ground, she'll rock back on that. Put you a clear coat on there too. But anyways, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Shout out to Hobby Zone for letting me review this. God bless y'all. Happy New Year, and it's New Year's Eve 23. Bye-bye.